Hello again. In this video we're going to discuss something really interesting actually that I signed up for back in 2018, and it might be something that you guys might want to add to your online entrepreneurship. So let's get into it, shall we? Right, so I'm just going to bring up this web page here, and as you can see the web page is called Initiative Queue. I'm just going to move my face down there. So I signed up for this back in 2018, and I didn't really know much about it. I still don't know much about it because they're still rolling out sort of they're still on their initial timeline plans. I'll show you what I mean. It's invite only, so I've got this link that I'll post in the description below, so you can just copy that and add yourself. As you can see, this queue balance here, 157,096 out of my possible 214. Now that's based on the amount of people that you invite as well. So if they sign up, then you get this queue balance. And now what they're planning in their timeline is that a queue is going to be worth $1. So this is looking quite good at the moment, even though it's not come to fruition, but we aren't past the point in the timeline yet, and things are changing. So I'm just going to click over to the timeline, and you can see that mid 2018 to mid 2019 they were on the rapid user growth program, so they wanted to roll out as many new users as they can. And that's the thing about these queues, it's not going to work unless it has a lot of users. And I think actually India is the first country to have 1 billion users, and I think they're going to roll out there first. They're going to roll out in the biggest place first, so it doesn't take much to sign up. All you need is actually an email address and of course your name. But I mean, it's not much to give away for something that you're not that confident about, really. I mean, how many companies out there have got your email address, to be honest with you? You know what I mean? So yeah, you can see stage 2 is the payment network development, and that's kind of where we are at the moment. I mean, it goes back in time here, but you can see that they're trying to recruit sellers at this same time as well. So if you look up here, you can actually sign up to be a seller. I think I might try that out after this video's finished. But I think what it involves is you can sell goods and wares and services for queues, but you'll only be able to spend the queues to authorized sellers, if you know what I mean. That's going to be the opening stages anyway. But like I said, it's very low risk. You know, I've had this since 2018. I haven't been hacked. So, and you saw, you know, I had some people on the list. Obviously you can't see their names, but you know, they haven't been hacked. So I think it's a pretty safe bet to just sign up with your email and see if you can get yourself $150,000 when it rolls out, because that would be awesome. Let's face it, that would be awesome. My strategy was to sign up, to send out the link, and then to forget about it until 2021. And it's 2021 now, so I think this is the perfect time for you guys to jump on it. Anyways, I'm not going to waste any more of your time. Have a good day, and I'll see you again soon.